Hello, it's Will Johnson back again for another new home tour. Today we're at Riceland Master Plan Community here in the Mont Belvieu area. We're going to be filming David Weekley homes today. I already did a video of Highland homes and I did a video of the two Perry homes. Today I'm going to be touring the two David Weekley homes. I think just about everything that they have is finished now, so we're going to be looking inside. David Weekley Homes is a nice luxury builder out here, as all of the home builders here in the Riceland community is. David Weekley is very, very nice. If you see the outside, it's something about even the inside. They pay attention to a lot of the details that look really, really nice. I can't really describe it. You'll have to wait and see when we get in. If you guys are interested in any of these homes, please remember to give me a call, text. However you can get a hold of me. My contact information is somewhere here on the screen. A little more about the community. It's a master plan community. It's going right up to Eagle Point, which is a golf course and a recreation facility here in the Riceland community. And yeah, guys, it's gonna be nice. This builder, which is David Weekley, is gonna have a smaller product also on the other side. You look over there, you see that's where they're building their smaller product, where they're going to have the back alleys. And yeah, I can't wait to see what their product looks like there. So all right, guys, without further ado, they just put a new door on. As you see, they're doing some gardening. So we're going to be looking at this David Weekley home, model home. Then after that, we're going to look at the Millburn. So without further ado, guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel to keep up with my videos. If you guys want to see more, please comment below on any other features you guys may want to see of these homes, or if you guys want to see the new construction process as it's being built. So without further ado, guys, here we go. David Weekley Homes by Mont Belvieu, Riceland Community. Sorry guys about the weed eater there. So this door was just put on, so it's not finished being painted. Guys, these ceilings are like 15 feet or so. So first turn, you have the classic 2 bedrooms with a bathroom in between. They did a really good job staging this one. As you guys can see, they went all the way up with the accent wall to the ceiling. So here's their information room. Healthy Homes tell you what you can expect to be in a healthy home. Multi-year transferable warranty. Again, like I tell you guys, you got the 10-year warranty, the 2-year warranty, and the 1-year warranty on new homes. All right, so David Weekley also is gonna be the, so far, the only new community that does the spray foam installation instead of the regular bat installation. So spray foam installation, right now it's cooling the inside while I'm walking through with an open attic. Very nice. Nice hallway area. Love when they put the arch ceilings in the master bedroom. This one has surround sound. As you can see, the side of the ceiling, there's 2 speakers. I like the 2 little windows there. You don't see that much. Eight-foot doors all throughout this house. Gives it that nice ceiling. So when you come out, nice cozy porch here. Where there you guys go. Another nice new home tour here in the Riceland community. This being David Weekley Homes. As you guys can hear the generators behind me because power still isn't on in this community. They're just getting construction built. But as you guys can see, they're doing a good job at starting everything up. This house is very nice. It has brick everywhere, all the way around it. I like them like that because it protects the home, you know. It carries more value. So guys, you saw that they had an information room in the house, which was nice. A little more about new homes. As you guys know, you do get a 10-year warranty on a structure. You do get a 1-year warranty on anything, and you do get a 2-year warranty on appliances in most cases. So that's the benefit of getting a new construction home. David Weekley are gonna be starting in the high 300s. So they start at a better, you know, at a pretty good price point. Again, I mentioned on the last video that Perry Homes is probably the one that starts at the highest, you know, the highest price point. But guys, I must admit, David Weekley, I'm very impressed with the finishes and everything that they have in the inside. Very, very nice, very nicely put together. I know some of it is upgrades, of course, because it's a model home, but I'm very impressed with the inside of it and how they did everything, the quality that they give you, and still keeping the price a little lower. So I really like it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. After this, I'm gonna be looking at the next home next door by David Weekley Homes, and hope you guys enjoy that one also. Guys, remember, as always, subscribe to my channel to keep up with this content, to keep up with more. Also, if you guys are looking for homes in this area, remember to go to Williamtjrealty.com/new home construction, or you guys can go to Mont Belvieu homesforsale.com and find properties there. Everything on the MLS that's new in this community for sale should be on there. There's still some things that are not there that you will have to kind of dig a little deeper, but my contact information is on the screen. So guys, let me know if I can help you, or if you guys just want to look at the houses that are not listed on there. And no, just get with me. In the future, I should have a calendar link for you guys to be able to sign up and schedule an appointment with me if you guys choose to do so. But yeah, guys, we're very excited about David Weekly Homes being here. I'm glad they got everything going now. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.